Hello everyone and welcome back to my little YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, then hi, my name is Mel. If you guys are not new here, then welcome back. So I decided for our look today that we were going to be doing another Mickey ear makeup look. So these are my Day of the Dead ears, and I really liked the colors. We have some purples, orange, yellow, and so I wanted to do a look inspired by these very festive ears. So that is what today's look is going to be based off of. If you guys like how this look turned out, make sure that you head on down below, hit that big red subscribe button, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. Again, if you like how this look turned out, make sure that you keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alrighty guys, so you kind of know the drill at this point. I'm going to start with a clean face and tone it first, making sure I'm getting any extra dirt, any extra stuff off of my face. And then I'm going to put up my hair and I'm going to start on my face. Now I'm going to do my normal foundation and concealer and contour routine, so we're going to skip that and go straight in for the blush. So I'm using like this pretty peachy coral blush to add a little bit of color back to my cheeks. And I'm running it down my nose and my forehead to give them good overall color. And now I'm going to go in with the eyes. So the eyes, I'm going to start off with a white base. So I'm just going to be using my finger to blend this white pencil out on my lids so that I have a nice good color gradient to work with. And then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D palette. I'm going to go in with this really pretty shimmery purple. I'm going to put this right in the center of my lid. Once I blend it out how I want, then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I go in with this orange next, and I'm going to blend it out. Again, making sure I'm getting a nice gradient. So I'm going to go back and forth with the purple and the orange just to make sure it blends really well together and it transitions well. Once I get the shape that I want, I'm going to go in with this shimmery yellow or a gold, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. Then once I get, again, the gradient that I want, I'm going to go back and forth with the colors to get a good transition. And then I'm going to line my eyes using some cream eyeliner. And I'm just going to make the most thin line that I can. And I'm going to elongate the eye as well, just to make sure that everything is nice and crisp and even as well. So once I get the shape that I want, I'm going to line my lower lash line. And I'm going to line them with my, this is a tan, creamish color eyeliner. I'm going to line my eyes with that, and then I'm going to go in with some lashes. I decided to do my false lashes first before going in with mascara to make sure that they blended well. I kind of go back and forth with this, whether I put the fake lashes on first and then do mascara, or sometimes I do the mascara and then I put the false lashes on. Just kind of depends on my mood. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara and just coat my lashes really well so that the fake lashes blend well with my real lashes. And of course I'm going to do my lower lashes as well. So there is that. Then once I coat them with the amount of mascara that I want, I'm going to go in with the lips. I wanted to do a really fun lip color for this look, so I am going in with this purple studded lipstick from Kat Von D. I'm just going to coat my lips really well with this. And then once I even everything out, I was going to do a gradient, but I decided not to. Then after this is pretty much it. I'm just probably going to take my hair down, and then that is going to be pretty much it. But I wanted to add a little bit of highlight to my face, so I did go ahead back into the palette and I took this shimmery gold, peachy gold color, and I added this as highlight on my face, just as a little extra. You don't have to do this, it's totally optional. I just wanted to add a little bit of shimmer to my face, so that's why I'm doing that here. So I'm highlighting all my normal areas that I would normally highlight. But honestly, after you're done with the after the lipstick, I mean, with the look was pretty much done anyway. So yeah, that is the completed look. I'm gonna put my glasses back on. I'm gonna get my ears on, and then that is the completed look.
So that is it. That is the completed look. Again, make sure if you haven't already, you head on down below, hit that big red subscribe button, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. Stay tuned. I do try to post about every Wednesday / Thursday, so make sure that you head on over to my channel, hit that subscribe button to continue seeing more videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye!